To transfer money from Wise to Zelle, you will need to have accounts with both services. Wise is a borderless multi-currency account that allows you to hold and manage money in multiple currencies, while Zelle is a peer-to-peer payment service that enables you to send money to friends and family. In the United States, first, you need to link your Wise account to your bank account or debit card. This will allow you to add funds to your Wise account, which you can then use to send money to Zelle. To link your account, log into your Wise dashboard, click on the Add Funds button, and select your bank account or debit card as the funding source. Once your Wise account is funded, you can proceed to send money to Zelle. To do this, you will need to use the Zelle routing and account number associated with your Zelle account. You can find this information by logging in to your Zelle account and going to the Settings or Account Information section. In your Wise account, click on the Send Money button and select the currency you want to send, which in this case is US dollars. Enter the Zelle routing and account number, and the amount you want to send. Review the transaction details, including the exchange rate and any fees, and confirm the transfer. It is essential to note that Wise may charge a small fee for the transfer, and the exchange rate may vary depending on the current market rate. Additionally, Zelle may have its own limits and fees for receiving money, so be sure to check your Zelle account for any specific requirements or restrictions. To ensure a smooth transfer, make sure that your Wise account is fully verified, and you have sufficient funds to cover the transfer amount. Also, double-check the Zelle routing and account number to avoid any errors or delays. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily transfer money from Wise to Zelle, taking advantage of the convenience and speed of both services. Always review the terms and conditions of both Wise and Zelle to understand any fees, limits, or requirements that may apply to your transfer.